How to remove shows from continue watching on your Disney Plus application or on the browser. For this, I will simply open my Disney Plus TV on my browser here. Let me just find it. And this is Disney Plus Hotstar. Let me just click on it and I will open it firstly on my computer screen right now. This is basically a very simple thing you all can do, that you have to go on the Disney Plus Star and click on it to appear it on your home screen. Here you can see I have a lot of the shows signed in into my account, and this is my continue watching list. So how can I remove shows from them? This is my continue watching list, as you can see, and whenever I will click on any show, you will see the option of cross on the right top of the screen. Let me just show you that. Here, whenever you will type or select any of the series here, you can see the cross option on the right top of it. Simply click on that option and one by one you can remove shows from your continue watching list. This is all about how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more technical videos, reviews and updates like this. Keep watching, keep loving.